Okay, I'm Captain Ramudika SM. I'm from Santen LCRC. So here we are dealing with fingerprint. I'm going to explain. We have the forensic light, it's the fluorescent light. We use these powders, the fluorescent powders with the lights to search for fingerprints at the crime scenes. The lights and the googles and the powders are in combination. You just have to use the powder that correspond with the lights and the googles depending on the surface that you are taking from. So we also, on a normal glass surfaces, we use the black powder. It's just simple. You don't need the lights for the black powder. You just powder and then you will see the fingerprint with your naked eyes. Then we also dealing with the DNA at the crime scene, maybe blood, semen, or pieces of hair. We use the UV light to search for the body samples, like the sweat, the blood, the what. So let's say there was a murder committed and then somebody cleaned the blood. We can't see the blood, but we suspect that this happened in this room. So we're gonna come during the night. We need the darkness to search the blood. We use these chemicals. It's a blue star. It's a blue star because when you spray it on blood, it turns blue. So we can see blood was here. Then we use the swab. This is the swab. This comes from this one. Then we swab where there was blood and then we send it to the biology lab to check for the DNA. Then we also deal with gun residues. Let's say somebody was shot and then they say he committed suicide. We come with this, the gun residue collection kit, and then we use the red one for the right hand and then the blue one for the left hand. We just uncover it and collect the samples, send it to scientific analysis to check if really there's gun residues on this thing. Then after that, we deal with we do collect the ends of the maggots on the dead bodies. Let's say there's a decomposed body somewhere. We need to know when did this person die. So we come with this collection kit, we collect the ends and then we send it to the lab. They're gonna determine the time of death depending on this maggots. Then this one is just an example of the evidence that we collect for fingerprint at the crime scene. It's just a plastic bag. Let's say there was a housebreaking and then they touched this plastic bag. We can't get fingerprint on the plastic with the powders. So we take it to our fingerprint lab to use the chemicals and then get the fingerprints. And here is our PPE. It's an overall. When we go to a crime scene, we must wear like this to prevent contamination of the crime scene. Yes, we wear the overall, the mask, and the gloves. Yes, that's basically what we do. For our unit, they need any BSc, Natural Science BSc. And then we also have a Forensic Science and Technology degree from the University of South Africa. We also want that one. You can also study criminology. Then if you have that NQF level 6, level 7 of those things, you can come in. But after you are appointed, you need to go for a police training, the formal police training for 6 months or so. They keep on changing. Sometimes it's 6 months, sometimes it's 9 months, depending on the time that you come. Then after that, you need to go for forensic training. That will take 3 months. Then they introduce you to this thing, depending on which section you are. If you are with us, you're going to go for 3 months for advanced crime scene course. If you are with the chemistry unit, you're going to go for a chemistry course for 3 months, but they need to train you for the work.